Hello techies! Hope you guys are doing well. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, High Tech Masterminds. I am Hitesh, your technical buddy in this journey. Here, we are preparing for System Admin Job Profile. In case if you have missed my previous videos in the playlist, I would encourage you to please do watch them first in order to understand the next. Alright, let's get started. Welcome to Linux, a journey beginners to advance. Now, the system is installed and ready to use. However, before we try to log in, we always get a message where it says access denied, even before typing any password. We are trying to log in with test user, and this is the message that I'm referring to. Now, this is for test user. We'll try to log in with another user. Even this user gets the same message. Let's try with root. Even root getting the same message. Now, in order to resolve this issue, we need to check our sssd_config file under etc ssh to understand why exactly this message is getting printed. So we'll log in first. Let's go to etc ssh, do ls-lrt to see how many files are there. We have ssd and ssh config. Our main focus is on sssd because sssd_config file is for ssh daemon. So let's do vi to sssd and check few attributes that we can modify. The very first one would be password authentication. Check for P capital password followed by A capital authentication. Hit enter to search. It should be set to yes. This means that we should be allowed with logging in using our passwords. The next one is permit root login. Press N to go to next line, the next search, and this should also be uncommented so that root can directly log into the system. Third one is GSS API authentication. GSS API authentication. Now here, the GSS stands for Generic Security Application Program Interface. This should be disabled unless it is required. It gives you the option of allowing applications to log in directly as single sign-on, only for the systems which are supporting it. For us, we don't need it. So we'll disable this by commenting out. Put the hash, save the file, escape:/wq, enter. Restart the SSD daemon. Systemctl restart SSD. After we restart the SSD daemon, we can try to log in again. We say root and we see the message is gone. We can log in. Let's try with another user. Test1. Test1 can log in without the access denied message. Try to log in with my user, and Hitesh can also log in.